Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be curling all of this hair up. I got two curling irons. I got them both from the Flip app. If you want to go follow me on there, I am flawlesspink_, the same as all of my other socials. Well, I really wanted to try out both of these curling irons because I got them and I haven't opened them. So they're both from Sultra, the Bombshell collection. This one is a 1-inch wand curling iron, and this one is a cone shaped curling iron. And I think I'm gonna go with the cone shaped one today. So let's do it. It says loose wave transition to a tighter curl. I think that's gonna be cute on this. That's kind of how this hair is. If you want the specs on the hair, I'm gonna have them down in the description box below. You should go ahead and subscribe to me while you're down there. Anyway, oh no, it's a single temperature of 395. I mean, I guess it regulates the temperature, right? First, we got the curling iron. Ooh, it comes with a glove, of course, safety first, to wrap your curling iron up. Let's see what this is all about. So it's just a sleek design. One button turns it on. It got like these diamond shapes on it. I don't know what that's gonna do for the curl, but we gonna see. While our curling iron is heating up, I'm just taking this hair out of this bun to prep it. You know, I got something to do tomorrow, so hopefully I can let these curls last. Just brushing it out. I know it looks tangled. I know it looks crazy tangled, but it's not. It's not. I promise. It's not. This wig is literally my favorite wig. I've had it for like 2 years. Do y'all see how thick this wig is? And to have it for 2 years and it's still this thick is insane. I love wigging. It ain't got that much parting space no more. That's my fault. I keep cutting, you know, baby hairs and stuff every time you wet. Yeah. Thermal heat protectant. You always want to use your heat protectant all the time, all the time, all the time. Your hair, your wigs, everything. Use your heat protectant. I'm going to twist it while I do it like that. I don't know about this one he said. We're gonna see. But I'm gonna hold it on for 30 seconds. I'm gonna use this Unite hairspray that also came from Flip. And I haven't tried this hairspray before either, so it has, look. So it has desired strength on the cap. 3 hairsprays all in one, soft, medium, or strong hold hairspray all in one can. I'm gonna do light when I first do the curl, medium after I curl it, and then at the end I'm gonna go with the strong hold. And turning it, and then taking it off, just kind of roll it off so I can keep the curl in place. Turn my nozzle on my hairspray to medium, and then I'm spray it. That is so pretty. Yes, that's so pretty. So I'm gonna finish one side of my head, and then I'm gonna come back and check in, and then I'm going to finish the other half. Yeah. Okay, so I'm halfway done, and this is what I got so far. I made a side part. The curls are so bouncy and so cute, and I can't wait to see the finished product. So here we go. Okay, so this is the finished product. I think it's so cute. The curling wand did phenomenal. Get you one. Sultra Bombshell Cone. You gotta get it. It's perfect. I love it. So to finish it off, I'm gonna use the Unite hairspray again on H, and I'm gonna spray the shit out of this hair because I need it to last. I'm gonna use BioSilk to give it some shine. What I would typically do is I would separate the curls and play with it and make it like bigger and poofy because I like big hair. That's the word to go tomorrow. So hairspray, I'm gonna say a 10 out of 10 for right now. For now, like the hold that it's giving now, I will say it's a 10 out of 10. I love it. And then, like I said, the Bombshell Sultra Cone. The bomb. I did get them from off the Flip app. Like I said at the beginning, beginning, you can follow me on there. Flawless Pink _ Same as all